Welcome to a walkthrough of the 2025 Riverside RV Intrepid 135i. As we move around the exterior, you'll see your city water and sewer connections, the 6-gallon gas electric water heater, coming in at just 15 feet, 9 inches in length with a dry weight of only 2,780 pounds. This unit is built for easy towing without sacrificing durability, and a 6-foot power awning with an LED light strip for your patio, 15-inch aluminum wheels. You also have a generous exterior storage compartment secured by magnetic latch catches, along with a diamond plate rock guard and spare tire mount on the A-frame. Stepping inside, you are greeted by the cold and gray decor and a spacious front sleeping area featuring a 60 by 76 inch RV queen bed with an Intrepid high-performance mattress. Storage is maximized here with a side wardrobe and full overhead cabinets finished in hardwood gran oak. The kitchen offers a seamless countertop with a sink cover, a 2-burner gas cooktop, and plenty of drawer space below. Paired with a GE microwave and range hood overhead. Across from the kitchen is the comfortable sofa option, situated right beneath a powerful 15,000 BTU roof air conditioner. Above the seating, you'll find additional cabinetry and your FM Bluetooth stereo controls. To the right of the entry door is your GE 12-volt refrigerator. And finally, the rear bathroom features a private foot flush toilet and a shower complete with a skylight and a high-speed exhaust fan.